Hey friends, welcome to VisaView Learners channel, where learning is an adventure. To grow and develop more a view of a Visa, please like, share, press the bell icon and subscribe for more such projects. Thank you. In this video we are going to learn about how to make a project on a very important topic of physical science force. This project contains: what is force? Objective of this project. Definitions, categories and examples of the topic force. Let's begin. Force. A force is a push or pull in a particular direction. It results from an object's interaction with another object. Pulling is the force you exert to move something closer to you. When you pull a block, it moves toward you. The opposite of pulling is pushing. Pushing is the force you exert to move something away from you. When you push a block, it moves away from you. Now let's see what a force can do. What are the effects of force on an object? A force can make the object move. You can see an example here. An ice hockey player uses a force to move the hockey puck. A force can change the direction of a moving object. Here the example given as, a volleyball player uses a force to move the ball in a different direction. A force can make a moving object to speed up. Example, a cyclist uses a bigger force to pedal her bicycle and increase its speed. A force can stop a moving object. Example, a baseball player uses a force to catch the ball and stop it from moving. A force can change the property of a material. Here the example is: a baker uses a force to change the shape and consistency of his mixture. Now, we will move on to the categories of force. What are the two main categories of forces? Two categories of forces. There are two main categories of forces: contact forces and non-contact forces. Contact forces are the forces which result from two objects touching each other. For example, dribbling a basketball, kicking a soccer ball, hitting a shuttlecock. Here, this contact force is muscular force. Non-contact forces act on an object without coming into contact with another object. And the force is called as gravitational force, magnetic force, electrostatic force. Gravitational force. Gravitational force is the force by which an object attracts another object towards itself. The Earth pulls objects towards itself due to its gravitational force. The next force is magnetic force. Magnetic force is a force that attracts or repels magnetic objects. It is the push or pull exerted by a magnet. Electrostatic force. This force is the force that exists between electrically charged particles. Can you answer these questions easily? Yes, you can. If not, watch the project once again and write the answers. Hope you liked the presentation. Thanks for watching.